I'd like to walk you through how to find your lesson plans from last year. So first of all, I've logged in. I'm on the 20 to 21 year under Bishop McGuinness. So I click on that, go change the year to last year and hit apply. It doesn't matter what term you put in there. So then you see your schedule from last year. So I'm going to select a class and then you go over to lesson plans and you're going to go to where it says master lesson plan. Now this is the edit master lesson plan for staff. The school would be different. We don't use the school one. Hit copy. This is kind of copy lesson plan from class. And then it puts it in order of days, having a day 1, day 2, day 3. So there would be some manipulating there, but at least you have some sort of a master lesson plan that you can work from that will show you what it was like last year. So then go back to this year under the high school where it says Bishop McGuinness. So I click on this year and I hit apply. Then it shows me all of my classes for this year. So I'm going to click on the same subject and go to lesson plans. And then when you click on master lesson plan, it will have the lesson plans that you saved as a master lesson plan. So you can manipulate it like this, change the days. And of course, these aren't going to be perfect, but at least it gives me, again, it gives me a base for where to start without, rewriting everything. And it's done. So then when I go to highlight whatever day I copied it to, which was September 1st, it'll show me the first 5 days of what I did last year. I hope that helps. Bye.